Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel Drain Snake, delivering 2 times more power than corded drain cleaning products, a cable drive locking feed system, and zero drum contact for best protection and mess containment. The M18 Fuel Drain Snake delivers maximum power up to 50 feet down the drain line, removing the toughest clogs. Powered by M18 Red Lithium, the M18 Fuel Drain Snake delivers cordless mobility for instant setup on the job, enough runtime to get through multiple jobs, and is a safer power source when working around water. Automatic cable feed and retraction allows you to keep both hands on the tool while engaged, and features a twist lock that gives you the best grip for maximum control. This means you can maintain your selected speed during cable feeding or retracting, and hold the cable in place while you work the claw. A fully enclosed drum offers protection when working around fragile fixtures and keeps the mess contained. Milwaukee Tool is passionate about delivering a host of drain cleaning solutions to service plumbers and facility maintenance professionals. The M18 Fuel Drain Snake is just one piece of the drain cleaning system of products designed to keep you working with less hassle to get out on more service calls. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Drain Snake with cable drive.